Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. As you can see, I have this massive box behind me, and this box is from a company called Tailored Canvases. They are a home decor company that provide memorable products, signs, canvas signs, obviously tailored canvases. Pre-made ones that you can choose from. You can customize them to meet your needs and fit into your home and into your family lifestyle, whether it be your everyday home, your lake house, your mountain house, your boat, wherever, your RV. I just think the possibilities are endless for a product like this. When they reached out to me and asked me if I was interested, it was probably maybe 2 months after my mom passed, and as I was looking through all of the options, I picked one in memory of my mom. And my mom was all about family, keeping everybody together, constantly, get together, don't separate yourselves, let the small little arguments go. It's not worth it. Words of wisdom coming from, an elder that was 93 who lived way more many years and had more knowledge and experience than any of us. Don't sweat the small stuff. It's not worth it. Let it go. If it's something big, discuss it and settle it. She was all about family gatherings, staying in touch, all that stuff. So the sign that I chose is in memory of my mom. So, and Tailored Canvases you can find on TikTok, I believe TikTok. You can find them on Instagram, and they have a beautiful website. I might throw in some clips during this video or at the end of the video that show you, and I'll use my laptop rather than, I have my phone rather than my phone because I think the shots come out better, showing you some of the options. And you can, pick designs by room, by idea. I mean, you can do a deep dive and get lost in their website. It's how wonderful it is. I mean, I could have picked 20 signs. It was very difficult to pick one, but one spoke to my heart the most. So beautiful, company. I think the sentiment that they provide their customer is wonderful. And it's their mission is to create meaningful family moments. That also struck a chord with me. I wanted to let you know about the products and services that Tailored Canvases offers. It's made in the United States. Love that. They help to create jobs by us ordering their product and so forth. Museum grade quality fabric canvas. That's important. I am an acrylic artist, and you buy the cheap canvases, it shows. If you get a better quality canvas, it shows in your finished product. And that goes with anything. I mean, you could use many different options. I'll use beauty as an example, since this channel is mainly beauty. I do lifestyle and other items. If you buy a cheap eyeshadow versus an expensive eyeshadow, sometimes, but not always, you get what you pay for. And I do believe in canvas, you get what you pay for. These are not overly pricey, which is wonderful, but they use a high quality museum grade fabric. They use a pine wood frame to frame out the canvases, which is wonderful. It's not MDF and things like that, particle board that's going to fall apart over time. They use UV ink that lasts forever when they're printing your canvases, which is wonderful. Like I said, you can customize your design. You can add a family name or a date or just whatever you need to add in your sign that is available. Ready to hang strong metal hooks are provided in each product, which I love. Free shipping 3 to 5 days from design approval. You do get unlimited revisions. You pick a sign that you would like. You send to them, I would like it to say this and this date or this or that, and they come back and provide you a proof, basically. And you either make changes to it or be like, I'm not really sure if I like that, the way it looks, and change it. Unlimited. they want to make the customer happy, which is rare these days with some companies, but love that Taylor Canvases is all about that. You get a proof rather fast. They will send you a proof within 24 hours. And they don't ship it until after you have approved it. So it's not like, you know, you set in an idea and they send you the proof and that's what you get. No, if you don't like it, change it until you're happy with what you're going to get. They have a very good customer support line, you know, communication that they've opened up with their customers. No problem whatsoever. I mean, I did make one change because I wasn't sure of the date. Then when I found paperwork and realized it was a year prior, I asked to have it changed. It was no problem, and they sent me another proof and approved it, and I had it. I've just got this the other day, so you know, let's say it took about a week to get here. And they've had more than 250,000 sales, and they have 4.8 star client reviews. I don't know why they don't have 5-star. Honestly, you know, somebody got, you know, something up their butt there, and you know, didn't give them a 5-star. I would give this company 10 stars if I could. That's how happy I am. Now, I have not seen this. I've only seen the proof. I have slit the top of the box so that I can take it out. So I am excited to do that. So let me reset things up and I'll be back and share the unboxing. Okay, so I have put the box right here on the floor. It's not super heavy, it's just bulky so that I can easily pull out the sign. And you can split the box and open it like a book. I'm just going to pull it out the top, I think. So give me 1 second here to open this up so that I can just take it out and make sure that I'm doing it properly. And it's not like super heavy, but it's not like so light that I can't do it. Okay. I'm just going to put it up here for a second and see if I can get rid of this out of the way a little bit. I don't know if you can kind of get a little vibe of what the sign is. I'm going to need scissors here to undo this. Just crossing in front of the camera here. I don't generally do this kind of. Trying to think how the best way to do this. I don't want to ruin anything. So while I take the bubble wrap off, and I'll come back in just a moment and let you see what the sign looks like, and then I will show you hanging it up. So I wanted to take you could see it through the bubble wrap, but I wanted to take the bubble wrap off. That was well packaged, nice framing, and this is all canvas, and this is all printed on. It says Home Sweet Home, our name, and my parents started. They got married 1956, I do believe. I think it was 1956, 1957. But they moved into their home in 1959, and hence started, you know, had my brother, moved into a home, and then had the rest of us. So established 1959. So that's what I chose. I love the coloring. This is black out here, black, and this is kind of like linen-y color with a little bit of the brown. This lettering is brown, Home Sweet Home. Beautiful, beautiful work. Right here, let me show you the back, because I think that's important to show you how they construct it. It does say Taylor Canvases, made in the USA, right here. And you can see the wood, which is dovetailed wood, so it won't separate on you. Nicely stapled and taken care of. Nice, crisp, clean edges, the way they folded it. And here's your hooks to hang right there. So I wanted to share that with you. I don't want to knock it or, you know, do damage to it handling it, that's for sure. Let me just pick it back up and put it back up here. I'm going to see if in the next little shot I can hang it on the wall here. It's not going to be where I film. This is going to be in our kitchen. I do not share my home on YouTube, just my filming area. So I can't show you unless I just do like a photo towards the end where it's going to live for the rest of its existence here. But I'm going to see if I can maybe put it on the wall, like take a few of my paintings down and put this up there so that you can get a good shot of it on a wallscape. As promised, I wanted to give you a little tour of their webpage, and this is tailoredcanvases.com. And you can see here, I'm going to show you from the mouse, like here's best sellers. Options are like bar and grill, farmhouse, faith and Bible, lake and beach, and they have plenty of options, and you can see some of the choices here. You know, just it's right here, some of the options: the farmhouse, faith, bar and grill, theater, family, name signs, man cave, lake and beach, laundry, a memorial. That is really a great idea there. Bedroom, inspirational, bathroom. Then they have ones, you know, top trending, designs. You can just see all these. I mean, pricing you can see is not horrible. So what I did is I went, and you can do it by interest if you want to search, so that it'll give you all, you know, options here. I chose by room, which, you know, you have living room, bedroom, bathroom, dining room, nursery, theater, laundry. I just clicked off of that. So you can see the options there. Garage, man cave, kitchen, outdoors. So I chose, did I choose kitchen? I honestly don't remember which one I chose. I might have. I honestly don't remember. I think I chose kitchen. I'm just trying to... Oh, I think I don't know, maybe I didn't choose kitchen. I honestly, maybe I chose living room. I don't remember now that it's been a while since I did it. But you can still see here, you know, like if you wanted your name, your initial, and then the Williams with a date on it. So many options, fairly priced. Consider, oh, here we are, Home Sweet Home. Right here is the one that I chose and had it personalized. We'll click on that so I can show you. And you can see 5-star reviews, which I will be giving them a review also. So this is the one that I chose, and I just, you know, changed it here, obviously. You can have your style look like this. It should change it. So you have different sizes. I think the one I received is 16 by 48. There's 20 by 60 as an option. All that information. I mean, they give you plenty of information, plenty of help to see what you want. You know, they have sales. You can save 60 at checkout. You know, for holidays, if you want something for Valentine's, Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, St. Patty's Day, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Veterans Day, July 4th, occasion. You can see wedding, retirement, sweet 16, graduation, birthday, anniversary, all that good stuff. Quotes, art collections. So if there's something specific you're looking for, like abstracts or nature, all that good stuff. I am just blown away at, one, their generosity, and two, the quality of their product that they offer. I just think it's phenomenal. So that is the Tailored Canvases website, and I appreciate all you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.